What are the best digital marketing strategies? Harsh Gupta says, in today's world, the digital marketing landscape has changed dramatically. With the rapid rise in the number of online consumers, marketing strategies have become more complex to follow. Digital marketing is an integral part of any company's marketing strategy because it enables companies to reach the widest audience possible. There are many digital marketing strategies that companies can adopt. 1. Social media marketing. Social media has turned into one of the most important channels for reaching an audience and engaging with them effectively. It has become the go-to platform for companies to broadcast their message and interact with customers. Through social media, brands can connect with their target audiences in a personal way, enabling them to better understand their needs and preferences. This makes it possible for brands to deliver personalized content which will resonate more strongly than generic messaging sent through other channels. 2. Search engine optimization, SEO. These days, people are unlikely to use a search engine without putting in some unique keywords first. With so many different variations of the same word, it's hard to find what you're looking for if you only type the word ULT into the search bar. 3. Content marketing. Content marketing is a marketing strategy that focuses on creating and distributing valuable content to attract new customers and increase customer retention. It is also an effective channel for lead generation where marketers can generate leads for other channels like email or social media advertising through content like blogs or videos. 4. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the best digital marketing strategies because it's easy to execute and has high ROI, return on investment. One of the main reasons why it has high ROI is because it's more personal than other channels. 5. Web design. The web design is one of the most important aspects of your digital marketing strategy. A great website can tell potential customers all about your company, from who you are to what you do. Your website should be responsive and mobile-friendly as well as have a secure site with SSL certification. The second factor is search engine optimization, SEO. SEO can seem like an impossible task for even the most seasoned marketers, but it is important to remember that it starts with good content. Lastly, social media is becoming increasingly popular for driving traffic to your site or blog. If you don't already have in-6 paid advertising, it is a powerful digital marketing strategy that has been around since the early days of the internet and is a powerful tool many companies use to create new customers. It's been proven to increase traffic to their site by simplifying the process for acquiring new customers and providing them with a more personalized experience. Jeanette Rhodes says, digital marketing is one of the best ways to spread a word about your product. But it is not about the quantity of the followers or likes you get, it is about the quality of your followers. It is the number of people who trust and appreciate you and your work. Here are the top 3 ways to grow your online following. 1. Listen to your audience. 2. Interact with your followers. 3. Share valuable information. Raman Soni says, greetings everyone. A digital marketing strategy is necessary since it provides you with a sense of direction, the goals you've established and want to reach. Here is my digital marketing strategy tips to grow your business. 1. Start with quality web and mobile sites. 2. Consistent online reputation management campaigns. 3. Maintain a social media presence. 4. Focus on Google My Business. 5. Make use of remarketing. 6. Make the buyer's journey smooth. Thanks for watching our video on what are the best digital marketing strategies.